ऑप्शन तो था कि मैं भी बॉल डालूं फिर। आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि आपके पास क्या क्या ऑप्शन है। उसके पहले विनय ने बॉलिंग की थी। विनय भी कुछ रन के वो गए थे, सो मैंने सोचा कि एक चेंज करके देखते हैं। इधर से अगर ईशान डालता है तो देन फिर लास्ट ओवर फिर देखते हैं। अगर ईशान ने अच्छा नहीं डाला तो यू हैव ऑप्शन ऑफ बॉलिंग विनय। बट ऑफ कोर्स इट्स ऑलवेज इजी रिजल्ट देखने के बाद कि नहीं करना चाहिए था। विनय को देते तो कम से कम 10 या 12 रन या 15 रन ही जाते, 30 तो नहीं जाते। सो इट डजंट गो दैट वे। क्रिकेट में आपको यू ट्राई टू टेक द राइट डिसीजन। सम टाइम इट वर्क, सम टाइम इट डजंट वर्क। No, we keep talking. No, the thing is with this generation of bowlers, you have to keep talking to them. The reason being, they've got some amount of experience, but if you consider the rule changes, with fifth fielder inside, I think most of the bowlers or all the bowlers, they are very new, because experience doesn't really count at that point of time. The reason being, you have to bring the fifth fielder inside. And what we have seen is, in a particular game, a few bowlers may have off day, and that's where you have to make sure you're not giving away too many runs. Even when you bowl a bad overs, try to restrict it in between 15 to 17 runs or 18 runs, because if you go higher than that, it has a bigger impact on the game. And what we have seen is in the last game also, from our side when we were batting, we performed in the same situation and we were able to put pressure on them. So I think in this series especially you'll see quite a few times this balance shifting, and the better bowlers, what they will do is when they're going through a bad over or a bad spell, they'll make sure they don't give away too many runs. Try to give away maybe 10 to 12 runs and try to save those extra 4 runs that can have an impact on the game. Well, they are a very good side, and also the fact that the timing of the series, dew does play a big factor. They were on the receiving end in the last game. To some extent, we were in a position to win this game, but at the same time, it becomes a bit difficult for the bowlers to execute. So I think overall what we are seeing is wickets that are good for batting, and from that point the side that bowls slightly better, few overs of good bowling, is the side that will win most of the games. And also if you keep taking wickets at regular interval, what we have seen is you are able to restrict the opposition, because today we kept losing wicket but still we got 300 odd runs. So with that fifth fielder inside, it's becoming a bit difficult. And with right partnerships, right amount of partnership, and if you have wickets in hand, you may see the team scoring on the higher end of 300 plus scores. No, practice makes you perfect, and the thing is, when you bowl in net sessions, there is no real pressure on you. You try your best to execute, and that's why I say in the net sessions, if you are hitting 15 sixes, in half an hour, in the game you'll hit 3 or 4, and that's the thing in your mind, because when you're batting you feel if you're going for a big shot you may get out also. In the same way what happens with the bowler is in the nets it's very difficult. That's why what we did in between was if we get center wicket practice, we try to do a practice of slog overs. The reason being, you put fielders and then you get to know whether it's going to the boundary or not, because when you're playing a game, that outside edge also goes for a boundary and puts pressure on the bowler. So, we are practicing hard, and it's a matter of time, with more practice they'll get better and better, and they'll start executing in the game, when there's real pressure on them. नहीं, अगर सिलेक्शन की बात है तो मैं सिलेक्टर्स के साथ करूंगा, प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में नहीं करूंगा। और सिर्फ आप मैचेस के परफॉर्मेंस देखेंगे तो फिर आपको पूरी टीम बदलनी पड़ेगी। कुछ बैट्समैन भी हैं जिन्होंने रन नहीं किए हैं, कुछ बॉलर्स हैं जिन्होंने रन नहीं किए हैं। फिर आप दोनों टीम के बॉलर्स को कंपेयर करें, अगर आपको लगता है उनके टीम के बॉलर्स बहुत अच्छे हैं, क्विक हैं, वो भी रन्स के लिए गए हैं, तो इट विल बी अनफेयर कि ऑल ऑफ अ सडन हम 1 या 2 मैच हारते हैं तो आप प्लेइंग 11 के बॉलर को सीधा हटा के टीम से बाहर कर देते हो, बोलते हो कि नहीं ये अच्छा नहीं है। इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू परसिस्ट विद देम, टू गिव देम एक्सपीरियंस, बिकॉज दे आर पार्ट ऑफ द साइड, बिकॉज दे आर द मोस्ट टैलेंटेड पीपल, एंड लेट्स बैक देम। जो बॉलर्स वेट कर रहे हैं बाहर, दे कैन वेट अ बिट मोर। द रीजन बीइंग, इंडिया में अक्सर देखा गया है कि once somebody goes out of the side, टेंडेंसी ऐसी होती है कि लोग भूल जाते हैं, they keep talking about the new bowler. So I always feel people who are in the side, they should be given a rope, doesn't matter if he's a bowler or a batsman. And once he goes out of the side, the new guy who comes in, it again, you have the same principle, because otherwise if you start having ये होना चाहिए वो होना चाहिए, तो फिर मुश्किल हो जाता है. I think this is one principle that works the best for all the players.